In this video, I'll show you how to earn money with Digistore24. I'm going to show you everything step by step, so you don't need to worry about having technical skills or prior experience. You also don't need to invest any money to get started, and the best part is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. We'll even use AI tools to handle all the heavy lifting, so you can focus on promoting products and getting results. Make sure to watch the video until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to set everything up properly. First, head over to an affiliate network. For today's method, we'll be using Digistore24. If you don't already have an account, simply click on the Get Started button. You'll need to enter a username. Next, type in your email address, set a strong password, and then repeat the password to confirm. Make sure to select I am an affiliate. I primarily promote the products of other vendors, and then click Continue to complete the sign-up process. Once that's done, you'll have full access to the platform and all the offers available. Once you log into your account, click on Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the popular offers you can promote. On the left side, you'll see a filter option that allows you to narrow down the products based on category, price, and other features. For today's example, we'll focus on digital products, specifically in the health and fitness niche. Once you apply these filters, you'll see a list of relevant products. You can choose an offer from the first page, go to the next page to explore more, or use the search bar to find something very specific. By default, the products are sorted by popularity. This is important because it shows you the products that are generating the most traffic and sales, meaning they're proven to convert well with customers. Before promoting an offer, there are a few important metrics you need to analyze. On the right side of each offer, you'll see the commission you'll earn per sale generated through your affiliate link. Click on the arrow next to each product to see more details. You'll see the product price, commission percentage, earnings per cart visitor, vendor name, and the date the product went live. The most critical numbers to understand are the cart conversion rate and the cancellation rate. Cart conversion tells you how many people who opened the order form actually completed the purchase. For example, if 100 people open the order form and 10 make a purchase, the conversion rate is 10%. If 15 people purchase, then it's 15%. Cancellation rate tells you how many buyers request a refund after purchase. If 100 people buy the product and 5 of them ask for a refund, the cancellation rate is 5%. If only 2 request a refund, it's 2%. Ideally, you want to pick products with the highest cart conversion and the lowest cancellation rate, because that means more people are buying and fewer are asking for refunds. For instance, one offer might pay $578 for just a single sale. It's a digital product, so people just need to purchase and download it. However, if the conversion rate is low and the cancellation rate is high, that product isn't ideal. Always make sure you select offers that have strong conversion rates and minimal refund requests. This ensures your time and effort will lead to real earnings consistently. Once you've picked the right offer, we'll grab your affiliate link shortly. But before that, let's create a website to promote the product. Go to Google and search for Google Sites. Click the first link and create a new blank site. You'll get a simple single-page layout which we'll customize for your niche. Start by changing the header image. Click the image, go to the Google Images tab, search for keto, and select an image that fits your niche. Click Insert, and now you have a professional-looking header for your website. Next, add a title and content. As I mentioned earlier, we'll use AI to generate the bulk of the content for this page. This will save you a lot of time and effort, while still giving you a polished, professional website that converts visitors into buyers. So come over to ChatGPT, and let's ask ChatGPT to help us create content for our website. Type something like, based on the most searched keyword about the keto diet, write a headline for a website and press enter. As you can see, ChatGPT will generate a headline that we can use on our Google site. Copy that headline and paste it into your site. Make sure to put it on a separate line. Then expand the text container as much as possible. Make the first line bold, and for the second line, reduce the font size slightly so it fits nicely, and make it bold as well. You can also change the color of the text to make it stand out. Next, For SEO purposes, copy the headline and paste it in the SEO section of your site. Now, it's time to add content. You can either use a text box or content blocks. Let's use a block that allows 2 articles in the same row. Click on the plus button, select an image, search for keto diet, choose an image, and click Insert. Repeat this process for the second column. Now we need to generate 2 articles for the website. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a blog post about keto diet tips. Once the article is ready, copy the title and paste it into your site. Then copy the first part of the article and paste it here. At the end, write "Read more" to indicate that there's additional content. We need to create a new page for the full article. Go to Pages, move your mouse to the plus button, click New Page, paste the post title, and click Done. Next, go to the Insert tab, select Text Box, and paste the full article from ChatGPT. You can increase the font size slightly for better readability. Then go back to the home page, highlight the text, click on the link icon, select the page you just created, and click Apply. Do the same linking for the title and the image so users can easily click to read the full article. Repeat the process for the second blog post. Ask ChatGPT to write another keto diet tips article. Copy the title, paste it on your home page, copy the first part, add "Read more," then create a new page, paste the full article, and link it back to the home page. This way, your site will have multiple articles with a smooth navigation experience. The final step is adding your affiliate link to these articles. Open an article and ask ChatGPT to write a call to action that will send readers to your keto diet affiliate product. Copy the call to action and paste it at the beginning of the article. Go back to Digistore24, copy your affiliate link, highlight the call to action in the article, click Insert Link, paste the link, and click Apply. Place this call to action 2 or 3 times throughout the article. Once done, click Publish to make your site live. Repeat this for the second article as well. Now you have a fully functional website about the keto diet with multiple articles, images, and embedded affiliate links. You can continue to add more posts at the bottom or customize the design as you wish. Once your website is ready, it's time to drive traffic. One simple method is using Quora. Go to Quora and search for your keyword. You'll see people asking questions and hundreds to thousands of others answering with tens of thousands of readers. Copy a question, then use ChatGPT to generate a detailed answer. Copy the response, paste it in the answer section on Quora, and at the end, say something like, "For more information, I highly recommend reading this blog." Highlight that text. Click on Text Formatting, insert link, and paste your website link. Click Add and post your answer. This method can send thousands of people to your website, generating affiliate commissions. You can add more articles and Quora answers to make your site appear more professional. And this is just one way to drive traffic. There are many more strategies to increase your affiliate earnings, which I'll share in future videos.